Samsung is ready to launch Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is going to be amazing if the leaks and rumors are true. Meanwhile, a good news for storage lovers since we may see a double amount of storage on Z Flip 4 compared to Z Flip 3. And yes, the release date is confirmed. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is going to launch in August 2022 and this is confirmed when we are going to get them. According to John Prosser, we may see Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 on August 10th along with Fold 4 and Galaxy Watch 5. And we may see phone will hit the market on August 26th this year. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Are you guys okay with the old cameras on Z Flip 4? According to John Prosser, we may see Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 in multiple colors including graphite, royal purple, pink gold, and blue. And for now, it is not clear that we may see bespoke edition on Z Flip 4 since it was first introduced with Z Flip 3 where you guys can get almost 48 color combinations. The crease on the Z Flip 4 will be amazing. As Ice Universe said on his Twitter account, the crease on Z Flip 4 is much shallower than the Z Flip 3 and it was already confirmed by the cover leak that I already talked in my previous video. And I think crease is what matters and Samsung is changing the hinge of the both Z Flip 4 and Z Fold 4 that make this happen. A good news for storage lovers since Z Flip 3 only offers 128 gigs and 256 gigs internal storage options. But now the rumors are indicating that the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 may get a 512 gigs of internal storage version which is double compared to the last generation. For now, there is no news regarding the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 cameras and we can expect the last generation Z Flip 3 cameras, where we can get a 12 megapixel main lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 10 megapixel selfie camera. Let's hope Samsung will do something about this. Meanwhile, the price on Z Flip 4 will be less than Z Flip 3 but not expect too cheap, since according to the leaks we may see Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 starting at $949, just a $50 cut from the last generation Z Flip 3. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 going to come with Snapdragon Gen 1 Plus with 8 gigs of RAM. And for those who are concerned about outer display on Z Flip 4, then it is almost confirmed that Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 going to come with 2.1 inches outer display, as Ross Young already confirmed that it will be more than 2 inches. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Are you guys okay with the old cameras on Z Flip 4? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.